Would you like to feel more comfortable and confident speaking in public and build a connection with your audience so they listen to and remember you? Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And you may be wondering why I'm using Barbie dolls in this video. Well, because we all need to play. Right, Barbies?
Right.
When I start a new workshop or class, I say, welcome to the playground. Yes, we need to work on our voices, and it can take patience and persistence. And understanding these bodies of ours, which are our vocal instruments, doesn't happen overnight. But if we're not enjoying the process, what's the point? And why is this element of play so important? Well, not only because laughter and joy are essential for our physical, emotional, and mental health, but most of us harbor an inner critic that likes to tell us how much we suck. I call my inner critic Carla, which is actually a very nice name for the mean and nasty ways that we can talk to ourselves inside our own heads. I mean, as if somebody or everybody is just born being a captivating speaker or a beautiful singer. I guarantee you, Martin Luther King Jr. and Lady Gaga have had to train. Now, one of my vocal students, Lennon, likes to use a sports analogy to explain this. And since Lennon is here today, I'm going to ask him to come on in and just tell you about it.
Growing up, I liked to play a lot of basketball on the playground. I never considered myself to be a very good basketball player, but one thing that always set me apart from the other basketball players was my ability to consistently knock down free throws. And that was largely because I had a really good coach who taught me how to do it. Get an athletic stance, 3 quick dribbles, bend, put your hand in the cookie jar. And over time, practicing this, I didn't have to think about it anymore. It just became muscle memory.
And the same thing is true with your voice. With training, this knowledge becomes ingrained in muscle memory and in your subconscious mind. So when you get up to speak, you don't even have to think about it. Take that, Carla. I don't suck. I'm just on the playground. I'm learning and training.